Crash course on Canadian etiquette and cultural norms. Canada is a country known for its politeness, friendliness, and diversity. Canadians are generally very respectful of others and are known for their politeness, which can sometimes be mistaken for coldness or aloofness. Here are some cultural norms and etiquette to keep in mind while in Canada. 1. Greetings. Canadians are known for their friendly greetings. When meeting someone for the first time, a handshake is the usual form of greeting. In more casual situations, a simple smile and nod of the head will suffice. 2. Punctuality. Canadians value punctuality, and being on time is considered a sign of respect. If you are running late, it's important to let the person you're meeting know in advance. 3. Apologizing. Canadians are famous for apologizing even when they are not at fault. Saying, sorry, is a common reflex in Canada and is seen as a way to show consideration for others. 4. Personal space. Canadians value their personal space and tend to stand a comfortable distance apart while talking. It's important to be respectful of this and not invade someone's personal space. 5. Dining etiquette. When dining in a formal setting, it's important to wait for the host or hostess to begin eating before starting yourself. It's also considered polite to wait until everyone is served before starting to eat. 6. Tipping. Tipping is expected in Canada, especially in the service industry. The standard tip is around 15 to 20% of the bill, depending on the level of service received. 7. Multiculturalism. Canada is known for its diversity, and Canadians value multiculturalism. It's important to be respectful of different cultures and customs. 8. Queuing. Canadians are known for their orderly queuing. It's important to wait your turn and not try to jump ahead in line. 9. Holding doors. Holding doors open for others is considered polite in Canada, especially for women and the elderly. 10. Being polite. Politeness is highly valued in Canada, and it's important to say, please, and thank you, whenever appropriate. Here are some interesting examples and stories to excite international visitors and new Canadian immigrants. A. Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is a Canadian institution, and it's not uncommon to see long lines of people waiting for their morning coffee or donut. Tim Hortons is also known for its Roll Up the Rim contest, where customers can win prizes by rolling up the rim of their coffee cup. B. Hockey. Hockey is Canada's national sport, and it's a big part of Canadian culture. It's not uncommon to see people playing hockey on frozen lakes and ponds during the winter months. C. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is a Canadian delicacy, and it's used to top pancakes, waffles, and French toast. Every year, there's a maple syrup festival in Ontario where visitors can learn about the maple syrup production process and sample maple syrup treats. D. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the world's most famous natural wonders, and it's located on the Canadian-American border. Visitors can take boat tours to the base of the falls and see the waterfalls up close. E. Canada Day. Canada Day is celebrated on July 1st, and it's a national holiday. There are parades, fireworks, and concerts held across the country to celebrate Canada's birthday. F. Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a spectacular natural light show that can be seen in the northern parts of Canada. Visitors can take guided tours to see the Northern Lights and learn about their scientific origins. In conclusion, Canada is a country with a rich culture and history, and Canadians are known for their friendly and polite nature. By keeping in mind the cultural norms and etiquette mentioned above, visitors and new immigrants can ensure that they are respectful and considerate of Canadian customs and values. Moreover, Canada is a country that celebrates diversity and multiculturalism, and visitors and immigrants can expect to experience a wide range of cultural traditions and customs. This can include everything from the food people eat to the festivals and events that take place throughout the year. One of the most interesting aspects of Canadian culture is the way in which it embraces the country's natural beauty and resources. From the rugged coastlines of the Atlantic provinces to the majestic Rocky Mountains in the west, Canada is a country that celebrates its natural environment. Overall, visitors and new immigrants to Canada will find a welcoming and friendly country that values respect, politeness, and diversity. By keeping in mind the cultural norms and customs mentioned above, they can ensure that they have a positive experience and enjoy all that Canada has to offer. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?ad=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.